Hello everyone, my name is Animas. I'm from Manipur. First of all, I would like to thank the entire management of Flywayy Institute. During my journey with Flywayy Institute of Air Hostess training, I learned how to improve my communication skills, interview skills, airline management skills, and my overall personality. My dream came true when I was selected as a cabin crew with Air India Express. I would like to thank my experienced trainer for being my guiding light. Also, my sincere gratitude to the entire management for helping me to achieve my dream. Thank you.